This is meditation to receive shower of gratitude. Let's all take a deep breath together. We offer this healing for the healing of earth and all humankind and all souls and species of our beloved planet. Imagine sending your roots from the bottom of your feet into the crust of the earth, and imagine that all the crystal structures that exist in the crust receive your light and feel your presence and jump for joy. They express their gratitude for your light and your love and your presence, and they give you their love. And as your roots continue to go to the core of the earth, imagine a beautiful golden core where loving light emanates and comes up your roots. And then it shoots up to reach to the crust, and from the crust to the bottom of your feet, and from your feet up your legs, to your thighs and your hips, up your torso, bathing all your organs, moving up into your heart, your chest, your lungs, up to your shoulders, going down your arms and reaching to your hands and pouring out your hands, blessing the world around you as it continues up your neck to your head, filling your head cavity, and from the top of your head reaching up to the shaft of light that connects you to the heavens above, illumines that shaft of light and spins upward and reaches to the highest heaven, a place we call the pool of creation, where everything in its non-manifest form is swimming in a pool of light. And imagine that you bring your consciousness up there. And imagine that you look at this beautiful pool that has the most amazing topaz blue colored light. And imagine that you walk into it. And even though it is not water but light, it has a warm feeling that embraces you. And you feel as if you have come home. And imagine that you swim to the deep end of the pool. And you bathe in the energies, and you can feel this light being absorbed from the surface of your skin and reaching into every organ of your body, through your bloodstream, to the core of the DNA and RNA in every cell, to the atomic and subatomic structure of every cell, bringing healing, bringing joy, bringing grace, bringing gratitude. Imagine at the deep end of the pool there's a fountain of light. It has many tears. The tears go up into the heavens and disappear from view. We can only reach one or two of those layers. So jump into the first layer and start swimming and bathing. And notice that there are huge clear quartz crystals that are bathing in that light and are calling to you. So go wrap your arms around one of those huge crystals and rest your entire body, the front of your body, from the top of your head all the way to your feet. And you have wrapped your arms around, the palms of your arms are resting and bathing and receiving healing. The palms of the hands have these energy centers that receive and transmit light. That's why hands-on healing is so powerful and potent. When those chakras, energy centers in the palms of the hand are awakened, you can send healing light to people, places, and things. You can also receive healing light from the higher realms, from crystals, from anything that vibrates to the higher vibrational frequency. Make sure that you can feel that sensation of receiving light. It might be a tingling sensation, an itchy sensation, a throbbing sensation. We're going to rest here for a moment. And since this is a shower of thanksgiving, shower of gratitude, let's think of all the things we are grateful for.